Hi everyone, Chef Emily Ellen here. I am sprinkling a lot of mom into today's recipe. I am clearly in laundry mode, momming, and I'm making laundry detergent today. And I don't know if any of you are interested in it, but I started making laundry detergent a long time ago because there's a lot of waste in the packaging, as well as with baby Quentin, I needed something that didn't have a lot of extra chemicals, and I was cleaning his diapers, and I do non-disposable diapers, so you can't have a lot of extra chemicals, dyes, and fragrance in them, or it takes the stick out of the diapers, or it actually makes them non-absorbent. So this is the easiest recipe on earth. I do not know why more people do not make their own laundry detergent, because like on my reusable containers, shake container, it is only 1 tablespoon per 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending how dirty your laundry is, for a regular load of laundry. So I use these containers. They're very easy, and then I've collected like coffee scoops from different applications. So let me show you how I do this. My sister uses a box grater, and she just grates the Fels-Naptha, and it literally looks like cheddar cheese. And I'm sure if baby Quentin was here, he'd give you the opinion. But I make big batches of it, and I have to say it lasts me a long time. The other time I was a little overly ambitious and made like 10 times the recipe, and then I ended up having to mix it in my huge mixing bowls. Do not recommend that. Recommend using the size, the amount that makes sense for your mixer. So I use my KitchenAid kind of chopper blender mixer, and I use the grating attachment, but of course you can use your box grater. Now, after you've ground up your Fels-Naptha into the cheddar cheese mixture, you're going to want to just fix it with the blade, okay? So you gotta get your blades on tight or they don't work. Now, the recipe is this simple. It's 1 bar of Fels-Naptha, 1 cup of the Arm & Hammer laundry booster, say that 10 times fast, and then 1 cup of Borax. I'm making 3 times the recipe. So I've already measured out 3 cups here and 3 cups here. Now, if you're using a box grater and you don't have a big mixer or chopper, blender, whatever, just make it in a big bowl and whisk it together. Now, if you cannot get your Fels-Naptha like really fine, that is okay. Just do a little hot water in your laundry before you start your load, kind of get the laundry detergent going. It'll dissolve, it'll be perfect, voila. But because I make it nice and fine, I don't have to worry about the temperature. Do a couple pulses. And when you make it in your Roku or chopper, it'll make it really fine as well. So if you had any chunks from grating, it'll be perfect. So blend it up, and it is that simple. I would say I probably have 3 months of laundry detergent sitting in front of me. So talk about money saving, environmentally friendly, and just like good for my family and the environment. Now, if you like a laundry detergent that has some kind of smell, like my husband does, like our sheets to smell like really vibrant, put a couple drops of essential oils like lavender, and ooh la la, it'll be like spa time. All right, guys, check it out. I'm gonna put it in my old shake container. I'm gonna have enough to give my lovely camera gal, Jada, some, and she will be doing laundry for just as long. So, all right guys, tune in. I think the next thing on my agenda is to make baby wipes. So if you want to know how I make reusable baby wipes, stick around. Okay, so it's on.
Yeah.
So this is behind the scenes. I'm cleaning up, and Jada's asking me questions about laundry, and she's like, wait a second, this is crazy. This is so inexpensive to make your own laundry detergent. You only use a tablespoon per load. And I didn't know that like when you use a lot of chemical laundry detergents, it may actually take the absorbency out of your laundry. For instance, towels. So when towels get to be almost shiny like this,
and they like pull apart,
and they start peeling and pulling apart, and they're like, you can feel they start getting like stiff. That is because you probably have been, and this was from our Airbnb where they put a lot of
detergent stuff in it.
They put extra detergent, and they also put all the dryer sheets in it, and the dryer sheets have that like static, right?
Yeah.
And it takes the absorbency out. So that's why at our house we use these wool balls, and you get them, I don't know, on Amazon, or you can even make them with old sweaters, and you get like 3 or 4 per container, and they help break up your laundry when it's fluffing in the dryer, and then it keeps it from
1,000
doing
washes.
sticking. Yeah, 1,000 washes. So I just got this to try, and you know what? Please put comments below because I do not know how this works. I want to just try it for the sake of all of us in family and neighborhood. But these are called eco-friendly laundry washer balls. I found it when I was buying some more dryer balls, but it's supposed to be a mineral used for treating various skin diseases and optimizes molecular motion and minimizes surface tension. Whatever that means, I don't know. But apparently these ionized, non-hypoallergenic, environmentally friendly balls will work as laundry detergent.
Huh.
So
Wait,
I don't know.
as laundry detergent?
It works as laundry detergent, yeah.
Not as dryer balls.
The dryer balls are the wool balls.
And then the blue ones are
The blue ones fit these environmentally friendly, whatever balls.
Whoa.
Yeah, so that's really something interesting that I found. Now, if you do have towels or you have diapers that do lose their absorbency, you can strip them down, and there's a whole process. I'll have to share it online, but it involves just putting them out in the sun.
Oh, really?
And the sun will really help. And the sun helps bleach things out so much. So we should use our natural resources first. But I haven't ever costed this out, but I think it's like less than a penny a load. But I'll be curious to see how much this is a load. Now, another thing we were talking about is
the
recycling. And so detergent bottles, right? My friend who's in the recycling business here in Orlando was telling me how a lot of the plastic containers that like you get your laundry detergent and your liquid laundry detergent, they just toss those.
In the trash.
When they're sorting them, a lot of the time the sorters will just toss them because they know there is extra liquid and they're contaminated. There's liquid detergent in the container, so they're not getting recycled. One of the best things you can do is take the top off, rinse them out. I mean, you can use it a couple more loads, really, right? So rinse it out, leave the top off so the sorters can see. Another big thing, and I can't
stress this enough.
I know, you cannot bag your recycling.
In plastic garbage bags.
In plastic garbage bags. Do not bag your recycling. It is dangerous for the workers who have to hand sort because the plastic gets stuck in the machines, as well as it contaminates the other recycling. And it just slows down the process and makes it harder for the recycling companies to recycle and sell the trash essentially to other companies who are buying it and making new things out of it. So number one thing, please do not bag your recycling. Number two thing, if you're gonna bag your trash, bag it in biodegradable bags.
No more plastic trash bags.
No more plastic trash bags, please. And if you get paper bags that you're bagging your groceries, you forget your reusable bags, use those paper bags again. You can take your trash out more frequently, please, guys. I can't stress that enough. So I guess that's my eco-friendly literal soapbox for the day. All right, guys, I will share more of my knowledge soon enough.
Bye.
Bye.